Now the question before us is, a box contains 12 balls, out of which X are black. If one ball is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be a black ball? If 6 more black balls are put in the box, the probability of drawing a black ball is now double of what it was before. Find X. That is, we have to find the number of black balls. So now first of all, we will write a box contains 12 balls. Total number of balls is given in the question are 12, out of which X are black. Number of black balls, these are given as X. So now, if one ball is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be a black ball? So the probability of getting a black ball is equal to the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. Here, the number of favorable outcomes means the number of black balls, that is X. It will be divided by the total number of possible outcomes, that is the total number of balls. So here, the probability of that it will be a black ball is X over 12. So now, what is given more in the question? 6 more balls are put in the box. So now, total number of black balls are X plus 6X. Because 6 balls have been added, the black balls becomes X plus 6. Here we will remove total. So now, total number of balls. Here we will not write black balls because we are to add 6 here also. So the revised number of balls which are total are 12 plus 6. Here it will become 18. So now, what is the new probability of getting the black ball? So new probability is number of favorable outcomes. Here the revised number of black balls will be here mentioned. Here the total number of balls which have been revised, that is this 18. So here we have now arrived at new probability. Old probability is given here. So now here it is given that if 6 balls are put up in the box, the probability of drawing a black ball is now double. That is, here it is given that as per question, new probability is double of what it was before. That is, the new probability is equal to double of old probability. So now what is the new probability? New probability. Now we will fill in the value of new probability. What is new probability? It is X plus 6 over 18. Here 2 multiplied by old probability. What is the earlier probability? It is X over 12. So here we will solve it. Here it becomes X over 6. Now we can also write it as X plus 6 is equal to 18X divided by 6. or we can write it as x plus 6 is equal to, here we will divide it by 3, it becomes 3x. Here we can also write it as 3x minus x is equal to 6, that is 2x is equal to 6 for x is equal to 3. What is x? X is the question which we have to find the number of black balls. So we have been able to find out the value of x, that is the number of black balls. This is the answer. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.